The internet has changed how we do things. Everything that was once done manually now has its digital counterpart. We're in the era of self-driving vehicles, near instantaneous message delivery, and virtual reality well incorporated into our lives. And there's a need to acquire skills that will help you to keep up with the ever-advancing technology. If you don't make an effort to upskill, you'll find it harder to be productive, even in the little things, and you could end up being dubbed old school. If you've ever wondered what the top skills are that you should be focused on for your personal and career growth, then this video is for you. Learning these digital skills will help you to thrive in any ecosystem and create opportunities for you to advance your career. Welcome to alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Number 1. Basic computer skills. In this digital age, understanding the basics of tech is more important than you might imagine. This knowledge and these skills are stepping stones to more advanced abilities that will make your career more flexible and progressive. The use of programs like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, as well as more complicated ones like command prompt and search engine optimization tools, fall under this category. Even if your career path has nothing to do with tech, in all probability you will find yourself in front of the screen more than you'd like to. Number 2. Graphic design skills. For young professionals, graphic design is one of the most promising fields, and having this skill offers more opportunities across job sectors. The need for design services is high in areas like online technologies, advertising, printing, the arts, multimedia, branding, and identity. Changing the forms and colors of pre-existing pictures and objects is just one of the many things a skilled graphic designer is capable of. The ability to articulate an idea via sketches or drawings is a big advantage for anyone. You may find several examples of graphic design work if you look around, including some book covers, magazine covers, billboards, TV screensavers, and product labels and packaging. And a graphic designer could be working on a project as tiny as a postage stamp or as big as designing the navigation system for a whole state. And while there's always work for graphic designers, having the skill doesn't mean you have to be one. It could prove useful for other things like presentation slides and better judgment on advertising decisions. Number 3. Email marketing skills. This list wouldn't be complete without email marketing. Have you ever been so busy, but when you check your email, you find your favorite newsletter and create the time to read it word for word? Well, that's the power of excellent email marketing skills. Email marketing has been utilized over the past decade to convert leads, engage customers, and foster brand loyalty. Just about every website right now has an email campaign for its customers and members. Without the technical aspects like email servicing platforms such as MailChimp, Sendinblue, and others, having high email marketing skills will allow you to present information to your customers. Number 4. Coding and web development skills. Coding is often cited as the most crucial digital talent to master this decade. To adjust to the demands of the talent, you must possess the essential abilities and knowledge. Since the dot-com era, there's been a steady transition of businesses to the web, and with this change has come the need for skilled developers to facilitate it. The need for programmers has grown more and more, and there aren't enough people to fill up the available roles, which has resulted in rising salaries and high competition among stakeholders. Coders can be found working in almost every sector. For instance, coding has uses in quality control, digital marketing, compliance, and even risk management. Number 5. Content marketing skills. The digital world has been controlled by content marketing for years, and experts in this field are always in great demand. This digital ability isn't about just writing for the web. It involves writing for the web in a way that directly relates to keyword research and strategy optimization. There are several types of content, including blog entries, videos, podcasts, infographics, and even social media status updates. And in all of them, content is still king, even though marketers spend their time refining keywords and advertising strategies. After all, Content is what drives a website or social media page, and without it, buyers have no way of comprehending the advantages of a product or service. Content may position companies or influencers as thought leaders and essential for increasing brand recognition. By gaining expertise and experience in content marketing, you may position yourself for a job in any sector. Number 6. Search engine marketing skills. The global cost of search advertising in 2018 was $124.1 billion, and it's much more now. Search engine marketing, or SEM, is a useful skill for making websites more visible on search engine result pages. With proper search engine marketing skills, you'll be able to focus your campaigns on specific keywords and target audiences better than most people can. You'll also be able to use tools like PPC advertising toolkits to your advantage. Search engine marketing is among the most significant skills that businesses and marketers have grown to depend on. The majority of businesses compete online to attract customers by outperforming their rivals in the sales of goods and services. And since the pandemic, there has been a rise in online transactions, especially for e-commerce platforms. Now, companies have to compete for customers on a playing field where your visibility determines your success. With this, having search engine marketing skills on your resume is sure to make you a hotcake amongst employers and make your business more profitable. Number 7. Copywriting skills. Copywriting is an element of effective digital marketing that serves as a lucrative career opportunity as businesses are constantly in search of copywriters to help them increase sales. Copywriting has been important since the age of the printing press, and knowing that everything revolves around information, having this skill is basically evergreen. The copywriter's primary objective is to provide information that will captivate the reader, encouraging them with a call to action. And while you might have excellent grammar and a vast vocabulary to choose from, you have to enjoy writing to explore the skill and make it a career path. Number 8. Data visualization skills. Data visualization is the representation of information in a readable form. It's a feature that all websites, applications, and digital services have in common. So they need an experienced designer who can produce a useful, dynamic user interface. The ability to represent complicated data to assist management in making critical business choices is a skill that can be never overestimated. It's used by corporate executives to determine insightful conclusions from data. Large data sets are useless if they can't be interpreted well, and this skill offers you an advantage in management and allows you to make crucial business choices. Your digital communication and content production abilities may be improved with data visualization. It'll strengthen your portfolio, and if you can display data in a visually appealing, dynamic, and efficient manner, it'll definitely give you an edge on the job market. And on a similar note, Number 9. Data analysis skills. One of the most sought-after digital skills at the moment is data analytics. It's another tech skill that has great demand in our tech-oriented society. This is because practically every business has a database that has to be routinely examined. This skill allows you to work in any sector from agriculture to finance and tech. A data analyst is necessary for every sector to assist with data collection, and this skill can be used for many different purposes, such as supply chain management, performance monitoring, and digital marketing. The need for digital analysts is projected to increase in the coming years, and it's a must-learn skill in 2022. Number 10. Social media management skills. Some of the top PR campaigns in the world are conducted nearly completely on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and Instagram. These platforms enable digital firms to connect with consumers and influencers directly. The position of social media manager may not have existed 15 years ago, but these days, practically every business is engaged in social media in some capacity. Social media managers must have conversational skills and empathy to assist your consumers on social media, since they will be the face and voice of your business on those platforms. Number 11. Marketing automation skills. In the world of marketing, it's becoming increasingly harder to reach customers with the right message on the right channel. It's also difficult to manually manage marketing campaigns across multiple channels, and this is where marketing automation comes in. Learning marketing automation and technology is an essential resume booster that allows you to improve campaign results, support sales teams with better quality leads, and deliver a better ROI. Acquiring marketing automation skills is not as difficult as it seems. And some marketing automation tools even offer no-code options if that's your preference. Number 12, cloud computing skills. Since the pandemic and the world's gradual movements to distance learning and remote work, cloud computing has come to the forefront of employability skills. Nowadays, most firms and businesses have gone in favor of outsourcing database storage and sensitive information to third-party services. And cloud computing isn't just a trend. Businesses, both large and small, depend on it for their functions. And with this comes the need for skilled individuals that can maintain, organize, and control the platforms. The presence of a skilled cloud computing professional in a team is very obvious. Data recovery and high security are just a few perks that go with it. Number 13, artificial intelligence and machine learning skills. AI is one of the digital skills that you should be looking at in 2022. And you don't need to be an AI developer to have suitable artificial intelligence and machine learning skills. Online businesses need to enhance their current goods and services with the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and knowing the basics will put you in a better position to make meaningful contributions. And we should note that machine learning and cloud computing are very intertwined, with most cloud services producing machine learning solutions to common problems. Number 14, digital marketing skills. Every company requires a marketer to promote its goods and services. Digital marketing is not only important for businesses that have direct interaction with consumers, it's also important for middlemen and business-to-business models. As a digital marketer, you need to be well-versed in analytics software, social media marketing, user experience, and search engine optimization. And even though marketing mediums may change, one thing that will remain is the need for people with these skills. Number 15, online courses teaching these skills. Traditional teaching techniques, they've been used for a long time. But this conventional style of teaching is being fast replaced by modern online teaching techniques as a result of the expansion of technology in the education sector. Teachers have to familiarize themselves with the technology in place and also adapt to the role being played by the internet and video conferencing. And not everyone that is a good teacher has a flair for online instructing. Some people can convey the essentials of a course in the clearest way possible, while others would end up making the class look like an interview. And as a result of the pandemic, online education has become essential for both students learning and instructors teaching. Now, you probably have noticed you have some of these skills mentioned in the video already. We all routinely use them in our daily activities and our jobs, but actively improving on them is the way to go. Major companies now realize the importance of digital skills and the role it plays in overall performance. Some of these skills have become requirements to be qualified for certain positions, and some companies even go as far as to engage their staff in special training programs to ensure they're up to date with the technologies involved. So, tell us down in the comments what you think of these skills on the list, and which ones do you plan to add to your list of skills? Share with us in the comments, we always love hearing from you. And don't forget to give us a like if you found value in this video. Hit the bell icon to never miss an upload, and don't forget to subscribe.